Hello everyone, I'm Engineer Kamran Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Learners of Civil Engineering. Today I will discuss some basic thumb rules regarding the quantity estimation of different activities of civil work like brick masonry, plaster, pointing, cement concrete, brick soiling and DPC. So let us discuss in detail that how directly we can find the quantity estimation for these different items using the past experience, the calculations, and each and everything. Okay. Now this thumb rule is summarized in this particular Excel file. Now let's suppose for the 100 cubic feet brick masonry, in which the size of the brick will be 9 inches by 4.5 inches by 3 inches. Okay, and let's suppose you are using the cement sand mortar as 1:3. Okay, so the number of bricks of size 9 inches by 4.5 inches by 3 inches required will be 1350. The cement bag required will be 6. The sand required in CFT will be 23.3. So this is how we can just directly find the quantity estimation for different items. This is the result or this benchmark values are calculated based on the past experience and a lot of calculations. Okay, now if let's suppose you will use the cement sand mortar as in 1:4, in which 1 is the cement and 4 is the sand. Okay, so the number of bricks required will be 1350, the cement required will be 4.8 bags, and the sand required will be 24 CFT. Remember, one bag of cement is equal to 1.25 CFT. Okay, and if you will use this ratio, 1:5 cement sand mortar, then the number of bricks required will be the same, 1350. Cement required will be 4, and the sand required will be 25 CFT. Okay, and if you will use a ratio of 1:6 cement sand mortar, the bricks required will be 1350, cement required will be 3.4 bags, and sand required will be 26 CFT. Okay, now plaster for 100 square feet plaster, if the thickness of the plaster will be half inches and the cement sand mortar will be 1:3, then the cement required will be 0.9 bags and the sand required will be 2.5 CFT. Okay, then if the thickness of the plaster is 3 by 4 inches and cement sand ratio will be 1:3, then the cement required will be 1.35 bags and the sand required will be 5.2. And let's suppose if the thickness of the plaster is 3 by 8 inches and the cement sand ratio is 1:3, then the cement required will be 0.66 bags and the sand required will be 2.5 bags. Okay, and if the thickness of the plaster is half inches and the ratio is 1:4, then you will be needing 0.75 bags of cement, 3.6 CFT of sand. And if the thickness is 3 by 4 inches and the cement sand mortar is 1:4, then the cement required will be 1.2 bags and the sand required will be 5.5 CFT. And if the thickness of the cement the plaster is 3 by 8 inches and the cement sand mortar is 1:4, then the cement required will be 0.6 bags and the sand required will be 3 CFT cubic feet. Now for 100 square feet pointing in cement sand mortar. Okay, so if you will be using 1:2 cement sand mortar for the pointing of 100 square feet pointing, then the cement required will be 0.75 bags and the sand required will be 1.8 cubic feet. Okay, and for the 100 square foot pointing, if the ratio will be 1:3, then the cement will be 0.54 bags and the sand will be 2 CFT. And for the 1:4 cement sand mortar, the cement required will be 0.2 bags and the sand required will be 1.03 CFT. Now for the 100 cubic feet cement concrete. Okay, if the ratio of the concrete will be like 1:1.5:3, then the cement required will be 22.5 bags, the sand required will be 42 CFT, and the coarse aggregate required will be 84 CFT. And if the ratio is 1 to 4, then the cement required will be 17.33 bags. The sand required will be 43.34 CFT, and the coarse aggregate required will be 86.68 feet, and the water required will be 476 liters. Now, if the ratio is 1 ratio 2.5 ratio 5, then the cement required will be 14.5 bags. The sand required will be 45 CFT, and the coarse aggregate required will be 90 CFT. And if the ratio is 1:3:6, then the cement required will be 12.14 bags. The sand required will be 45.51 CFT, and the coarse aggregate required will be 91.02 CFT, and the water required will be 336 liters. Okay. If the ratio is 1 ratio 4 ratio 8, then the cement required will be 9.33 bags, sand 46.68 cubic feet, coarse aggregate 93.36 CFT, and the water is 280 liters. And if the ratio is 1 ratio 6 ratio 12, then the cement required will be 6.5 bags, the sand required will be 49 CFT, and the coarse aggregate required will be 98 CFT, and the water required will be 168 liters. Now, for the brick soiling, okay, for the 100 cubic square foot brick soiling, if let's suppose you will use the brick on edge, like its 3-inch side will be laid as the bottom of the brick. So this means is the brick on edge, and brick on flat mean you will have to lay its 4.5-inch side on the soil and the land. Okay, so this is the meaning of brick on flat. So brick on edge for the brick soiling will be required is for the 100 square feet will be required is 325 number, sand will be 12 CFT, and for the brick on flat will be required 360 number of bricks and 8 cubic feet of sand. Now the last one is the 100 square feet DPC. Now lift support is the thickness of the DPC is 3 by 4 inches, and if let's suppose if it will be made in 1 ratio 2 cement sand mortar, then the cement required will be 2.5 bags, and the sand required will be 6 CFT. And for the 1-inch thick DPC constructed in cement concrete 1 ratio 1.5 ratio 3, the cement required will be 2.3 bags, and the sand required will be 4 cubic feet, and the fine aggregate required will be 8 CFT. I hope this video will help you in the direct quantity estimation for the different activities of civil work. So kindly like and share this video and subscribe the channel for further videos. Okay, thank you so much. Take a good care of yourself. Goodbye.